Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So I want to cancel about the square root. So we need to have a square and b square. But this one that is about a minus b. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So we have this one. Now we simplify this one and we have like this. So because we have the power number 2, that's why we cancel the square root. And now 1 over s minus 1 over s, they cancel. Negative and negative, we have positive. So this one plus this one, so we have number 2. The next one, we need to multiply by the square root of s on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So now the square root of s will distribute inside in here. Similar for this one. This one we have number 1, and number 1. So s go inside the square root, and that is about s square. Similar for this one and this one. So this one we have s, this one we have s, this one we have s. Now s square go inside the square root, and that is about s to the power of 4. So this one that is about s to the power of 3. This one that is about s to the power of 3. And now we can put number 0 on here, here, and here. So we have the final answer. And that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.